Welcome to GSL Gym City, 1720 Boat Trail, southwestern Calgary, Alberta. Today, taking a quick look at this beautiful brand new 2020 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Trail Boss LT, powered by the 5.3-liter V8 engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Once inside the interior of the Silverado Trail Boss, we do have the power windows, power mirrors, power locks. Up top, we got our dial for our transmission, push button 4x4 under that, and their lighting options. We do have our black leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with our cruise control here, speak to talk, and your audio controls. We do have the black bow tie in the center, 74 kilometers on the truck, brand new. Column shifter, we do have the push button ignition, heated leather seats, 8-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto in there. We do have your climate controls in the middle section here, heated seats again there, auto stop, the downhill descent control, integrated trailer braking system as well, awesome big feature. USB charging ports, we do have dual glove boxes, locking bottom, black leather interior with the Bose speakers. Taking a look at those beautiful leather heated seats in the Trail Boss. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Trail Boss, right away you notice the 20-inch wheel and tire package with the Wrangler, Goodyear Wrangler off-road tires on there. This is a crew cab truck, so the longer cab. We got the tubular running board Silverado underneath there, the cab. Color, we got the black door handles and mirror caps, pearl white paint job, black window trim, keyless entry. We do have, remote start as well. LED tail lamps, LED headlamps coming out the rear, black bumper again. Trailer hitch there, dual chrome exhaust tips. We do have the easy open and close tailgate, and the bed's already lined as well. Back into the interior here, our leather 60/40 split in the rear. Both end seats are car seat ready. We do have in-seat storage, under-seat storage, rear sliding window up top, extra headroom, LED lighting, sunroof. See the charging ports there. We do have the rubberized mats yet to install in this truck, keeping those carpets nice and clean. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video of this beautiful brand new 2020 Silverado Trail Boss. If this is your next V8 crew cab pickup truck, come down and see us here at GSL Gym City, or shop online at gslgmcity.com.